Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is, a man buys 5 kg of tea at rupees 125 per kg. In addition, for every kilogram of tea purchased, he has to pay a sale tax of 6% on the selling price. Calculate the total amount of money that he had to pay. So here we have to find out the total amount of money of the tea he has bought. And how much kg did he bought? He bought 5 kg. So here in this question we are having the selling price. How much is the selling price? That is 125 per kg. So therefore selling price, so this is selling price, and how much that is? 125 per kg. So for 1 kg, for 1 kilogram, it means that 1 kg of tea, that is how much? That is 125 rupees. So this is for 1 kg. And now if you see in the question that he says that for every kg, for every kilogram of tea purchased, an additional tax he has to pay, and that is how much? That is 6%. So for the tax paid per kg, that is how much? That is 6%. So for 1 kg he has also to pay 6% of this amount. So how much will be the 6% of 125? So this will be, that is 6% of 125, and this becomes, that is 5 20s and 5 25s, 5 4s and 5 5s. So here we have got 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. So this becomes, after the calculation we get here, that is 7.5. So this 7.5 is the 6% of 125. So the total amount for 1 kg he has to pay, that is so here we have wrote that let the price per kg plus, it means with the tax, and that is how much? So here we are having, that is, so 125 is the amount or the rupees per kg. It means for only 1 kg, that is 125 plus 6%. So we have also paid 6% of 125, and how much that was? 6% is 6% of 125, that is 7.5. I hope till here you have got. So the total tax or the money which he has to pay for 1 kg, that is 132.5. So this is the amount which he has to pay per kg after paying the tax. And now if you look at the question, it says that a man buys 5 kg of tea. So the total quantity of tea that he has bought, that is how much? That is 5 kg. And for 5 kg we have to find out the total amount of the money. And how much will be the total amount? The total amount for 5 kg will be, that is okay. So for 5 kg he paid, how much did he pay for 5 kg? That is 5 multiply. So 5 multiplied by 132. So this is the amount per kg, and for 5 kg we are here to multiply it to get the total amount. So how much will be the total amount? So 5 multiplied by 132.5, we get here the total amount. So this is total amount now. So the total amount will be 5 multiplied by 132.5. After we multiply this portion, we get here the answer, that is 66.2.5 rupees. So the total amount he had paid with the tax for 5 kg, that will be 66.2, and this is our answer. I hope you have understood the whole question and the method of solving. So thank you very much.